Now, in Lesson 4, we delve into the art of crafting a cargo sequence, connecting all the dots to ensure a seamless and strategic operation. Join us in this concluding chapter as we unravel the complexities of cargo sequence making, bringing our exploration of maritime logistics to its culmination. Let's dive into the details and complete our journey towards expertise in ship management. First and foremost, let's examine the voyage instructions, indicating a loading requirement of 50,000 metric tons with a permissible deviation of 10%, more or less. The stowage factor is specified as 37 cubic feet per meter. Our loading port is Darwin, while the discharging port is Qingdao. To initiate the stowage plan, we employ the Load ACE loading program. However, creating a sequence without a pre-stowage plan is challenging. So our first step is to establish a loading plan. Following the principles from Lesson 1, we begin by updating consumable weights. Inputting fresh water and fuel quantities based on the current tank conditions. Including the diesel and lubes. Ensuring all cargo holds are empty, along with entering the present ballast amount. We then proceed to update the stowage factor in accordance with the voyage instructions, converting the unit to cubic feet per metric ton. Moving to the cargo holds, we distribute the cargo amounts as instructed in Lesson 1, keeping an eye on potential alarms for excessive cargo or overloading. Adjustments are made in any hold, and trim is checked, with additional adjustments required if a negative trim is detected. After ensuring compliance with criteria and confirming no violations, a thorough check of consumable values, GZ curve, bending moment, and shearing force is conducted against said limits. If all is in order, the pre-stowage plan is established, and data is transferred to the company's formal stowage plan for procedural requirements. Now, let's establish a loading sequence for the specified cargo quantity. First, return to the program and clear our cargo holds, then refill the ballast to achieve a full tank condition. Moving to the holds, my initial choice is to load cargo in hold number 4 and pump out ballast from ballast tank number 4 until reaching the stripping point. You have the option to leave a small amount. Afterward, I'll assess the stability criteria, and if everything is satisfactory, I'll save the current condition and create the file for loading sequence number 1. Following a similar procedure, I'll load cargo in hold number 2 for sequence number 2, ensuring to pump out ballast from tank number 2 into empty. Continuous checks on trim and stability criteria are conducted before saving the file. The process repeats for sequence number 3 with hold number 5 and tank number 5, and so on for sequence number 4 with hold number 3 and tank number 3, and finally, sequence number 5 with hold number 1 and pump out tank number 1. Moving on to subsequent rounds, the same steps are followed. After completing both the first and second rounds, transfer the data to the company form for documentation purposes. Open each saved file, starting with loading sequence number 1. Extract data and cargo amounts and transfer them to the provided form. Repeat this process for all sequences. We trust that you have acquired valuable insights and skills to navigate the intricate world of maritime logistics through this tutorial.